Welcome back to the Dex Volume Bot channel, powered by Runga Technologies. If you're launching or managing a token on Solana, you need to know how to climb the ranks on Dextools and Dexscreener. In this video, we'll break down exactly how increased trading volume boosts your ranking and how our Raydium CPMM Volume Booster bot helps you get there. Let's jump right in. Being featured on the trending sections of Dextools and Dexscreener gives your token instant credibility. It's where investors hunt for the next breakout gem. The key to getting there? Consistent and high trading volume, a metric that signals market interest and liquidity. Dextools and Dexscreener algorithms prioritize tokens with high trading volume in short windows, 15 minutes to 24 hours, frequent recent trades, price movement and volatility liquidity, and unique wallet interactions. More volume equals higher ranking equals more eyes on your token, but organic volume is tough to generate early on. This is where automation changes the game. The Raydium CPMM Volume Booster bot is purpose-built for the Solana ecosystem, leveraging Raydium's constant product market maker model. It automates micro-trading activity on your token pair, increasing transaction count 24-hour trade volume activity visibility on DEX trackers. Unlike manual trading, the bot operates 24/7, simulating natural trade flow without exhausting your team or community. Here's what makes this bot a must-have for any token team. Dynamic volume cycling, distributes trades across time for natural pacing, price buffering, adjusts buy-sell range to protect your liquidity pool. Dexscreener ping optimization, targets the time intervals most likely to trigger trending alerts. Risk-aware configs, built-in protection against excessive slippage or price manipulation. Raydium native support, fully compatible with Raydium's liquidity protocols. Let's walk through a real-world use case. A new token launches and deploys the CPMM Volume Booster bot. Within 3 hours, trade volume surges from 200 to 9,000 activity pings. Dextools trending metrics. Organic users begin buying in, validating the project. In 24 hours, the token sees over 300K impressions on tracking platforms, all sparked by strategic volume boosting. Here are the best times to deploy the Volume Booster bot. During token launch before or after major announcements, during marketing campaigns or influencer shoutouts, when refreshing liquidity or relisting a token. Avoid using the bot in isolation. It's a visibility tool, not a growth guarantee. Pair it with real community engagement, transparency, and token utility. Before you activate the CPMM Volume Booster bot, ask yourself, does my token have enough liquidity to handle volume boosts? Am I timing this with a real market or marketing event? Do I understand the visibility goals, rankings, awareness, or conversions? How will I track performance, volume, ranking, wallet growth? Thanks for watching the Dex Volume Bot channel, brought to you by Runga Technologies. The Raydium CPMM Volume Booster bot is your secret weapon for cracking the Dextools and Dexscreener trending pages, one smart trade at a time. Download the bot using the link below and launch your token into visibility orbit. Don't forget to check out our next videos on screen, covering token launch playbooks, Raydium strategies, and volume boosting secrets. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss your next DeFi advantage.